Hello everyone, we are on question number 15 in our CSIR Net PYQ series, and this is a question from September 2022 part B for 3 marks, right? Suppose an for n greater than equal to 1 and bn n greater than equal to 1. These are two bounded sequences of real numbers, right? Now we have to check which of the following is true. This limit n tends to infinity, supremum an plus minus 1 to the power n bn equals to limit n tends to infinity, supremum an plus mod of limit n tends to infinity, supremum bn, right? And second option is this whole thing, again the same thing, this is less than equal to limit supremum an and limit this plus limit supremum bn, right? And third option is this thing is actually less than equal to limit supremum an plus mod of limit supremum bn plus mod of limit infimum bn, right? And D option is this thing is this limit may not exist, right? Let's check these options one by one. We have option A. Let us choose a very simple example. Let's choose an to be 1 to the power n and bn equals minus 1 to the power n plus 1. Then what will happen? An will be equal to 1, 1, 1, so on, and bn will be equal to 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, and so on. Clear? Now what is supremum over here? 1. And what is supremum over here? It is also 1. So limit n tends to infinity, supremum an equals 1, and limit n tends to infinity, supremum bn is also 1. Clear? Their sum is nothing but 2, right? Now let us check for the right hand side. What is an plus minus 1 to the power n bn? Now an is 1 to the power n and minus 1 power n bn. Bn is actually minus 1 power n plus 1. This is 1 power n plus minus 1 power n minus 1 power 2n plus 1, right? This is 1 minus 1. Why? This is odd only, you know, this is odd only, so this will be equal to minus 1. So this is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now limit n tends to infinity, an plus minus 1 power n bn, this will be equal to 0. So this is not equal to limit n tends to infinity, supremum an plus limit n tends to infinity, supremum bn, which is actually 2, right? So in option 1 it has been given that these are equal, the mod is there, but you can choose it, because this is 1 only, so it will be same. So this option A is incorrect. For option B, again we have to calculate supremum an and supremum bn. If we choose the very same example, we will be getting 0 less than 2, which will be satisfying, right? But let's choose another example for this. For option B, I choose an equals this 1, 1, 1 and 1, and bn equals, let's say, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and so on. Now what is supremum? Here we have 1, here we have minus 1. So limit n tends to infinity, supremum an is equal to 1, and limit n tends to infinity, supremum bn equals minus 1. Their sum is 0, right? Now what is an plus minus 1 to the power n bn? What is this actually? Now an is 1 only, now 1 power n, and this is minus 1 power n. What is bn? Bn is minus 1 to the power, or we will say it this way. See, when I have n equals to 1, that is an will be 1, and minus 1 power 1 bn will be minus 1. This will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And when n is equal to 2, I will be getting 1 plus minus 1 power 2, and this minus 1 here. So it will be 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So you see, whenever I have odd n, I will be getting 2, and when I will be having even n, I will be getting 0, right? So how this will go? This will actually an plus minus 1 power n bn is actually equal to 2 0 2 0, so on. Okay. So what is the supremum over here? Supremum is what? 2, and limit n tends to infinity, supremum an plus minus 1 power n bn equals 2. This is not equal to, oh sorry, this is actually greater than what? Limit n tends to infinity, supremum an plus limit n tends to infinity, supremum bn, which was 0. This is greater than, but this option B, this says this is less than equal to, so this is wrong. We found a counter example. Now let's check this option D first. For option D, what do we have? This n greater than equal to 1, and bn n greater than equal to 1. These are what? Bounded sequences, right? So there's the sum an 1 minus n bn, this is also what? Bounded. Clear? This is bounded again. Now if we know, if the sequence is bounded, limit supremum and limit infimum exist. If these exist, this discards option D. Option D is incorrect, which says that this limit supremum may not exist. This is incorrect. Option D incorrect. So this is 3 marks question. Only one option will be right. So here we have option C correct.